Lesson number 4, Air Pressure. Let us recall. Have you tried the activity that shows air has weight given on page 16 of your science textbook? You can see picture of this activity. During this activity, you saw that the balance tipped on the side of the full-blown balloon. या कृतीमध्ये आपल्याला दिसते की फुग्यातील हवेमुळे फुगलेल्या फुग्याची बाजू खाली गेली. This shows that air has weight. This shows that air has weight. Anything that has weight exerts pressure on the thing that lies below it. यावरून आपल्याला असे लक्षात येते की हवेला वजन असते. ज्या वस्तूला वजन असते तिचा त्या वस्तूखालील वस्तूंवर दाब पडतो. Thus, the air in the atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface of the earth. Due to this air pressure, various phenomena like storms, precipitation, etc. occur in the atmosphere. पृथ्वीवर या हवेच्या दाबामुळे वातावरणात वादळ, पर्जन्य म्हणजे पाऊस यासारख्या अनेक घडामोडी घडतात. There are variations in air pressure. Air pressure is not uniform on all places on the Earth's surface. Air pressure is not uniform on all places on the Earth's surface. हवेचा दाब पृथ्वीच्या पृष्ठभागावर सर्वत्र सारखा नसतो. Air pressure keeps on changing from time to time. वेळोवेळी हवेचा दाब बदलत राहतो. The altitude of a region, temperature of the air, and amount of water vapor in the air are some factors influencing air pressure. प्रदेशाची उंची, हवेचे तापमान आणि हवेतील बाष्पाचे प्रमाण हे घटक हवेच्या दाबावर परिणाम करतात. Altitude of the region and the air pressure. Altitude means the height of the region from the sea level. The proportion of the dust in the air, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. is high in the air closer to the surface of the earth. हवेतील धुळीचे कण, बाष्प, जड वायू इत्यादी घटकांचे प्रमाण जमिनीच्या पृष्ठभागाजवळ जास्त असते. This proportion decreases with the increasing altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. उंची वाढत जाते तसतसे हवेतील या घटकांचे प्रमाण कमी होत जाते. जमिनीपासून जसजसे आपण उंचावर जातो तसतशी हवा ही विरळ होत जाते. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. जमिनीपासून जसजसे आपण वरती जातो तसतशी हवा ही विरळ आणि विरळ होत जाते आणि त्याचा परिणाम म्हणून हवेचा दाब उंचीनुसार कमी कमी होत जातो. Altitude means height above sea level, elevation. Air temperature and air pressure. Take a flying lantern. Tie on approximately 5 meter long thread to the flying lantern so that you can bring the lantern down whenever required. After carefully reading the instructions given on the package of the lantern, open it and light the candle, place in it, observe what happens. After some time, bring the lantern down with the help of the thread and put off the candle. Instructions. This activity is to be performed under the supervision of your parents or teachers and presence with utmost care. The teacher should Arrange a discussion after completing the activity given above. Use following questions to initiate the discussion. Did the flying lantern start ascending immediately after the candle was lit? Yes, the flying lantern started ascending immediately after the candle was lit. What would have happened to the flying lantern had the candle got extinguished after the lantern had gone up in the air? The flying lantern would have fallen back on the earth if the candle had been extinguished after the lantern had gone up in the air. Geographical explanation. The air in the flying lantern gets heated once the candle is lit. The hot air expands, becomes lighter and starts moving up. Therefore, the lantern is also lifted up towards the sky. In nature also, a similar phenomenon occurs. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Wherever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. As the temperature rises in the air, gets heated, expands and becomes lighter. The lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface starts moving up towards the sky. As a result, air pressure in such areas decreases. Vicinity means closeness, nearness. What will be the effect on air pressure if the temperature drops? Why? If the temperature drops, the air becomes heavy and the air pressure also increases. आकाशकंदिलातील हवा मेणबत्ती पेटवल्यावर उष्णतेने गरम होऊ लागते. गरम हवा प्रसरण पावते. हवा हलकी होते व वरच्या दिशेने जाऊ लागते. त्यामुळे आकाशकंदील आकाशाच्या दिशेने उचलला जातो. निसर्गातही असेच घडत असते. टेम्परेचर आणि एअर प्रेशर यांचा जवळचा संबंध आहे. जेथे टेम्परेचर जास्त असते तेथे हवेचा दाब कमी असतो. जास्त तापमानामुळे हवा गरम होते, प्रसरण पावते आणि हलकी होते. जमिनीलगतची अशी हवा आकाशाकडे वर जाते. त्यामुळे सदर प्रदेशातील हवेचा दाब कमी होतो. Temperature zones and pressure belts are interrelated to each other, but the latitudinal extent of the temperature zones is much larger while the pressure belts are narrower. See figure 4.2a and figure 4.2b. For example, the temperate zone extends from 23 minutes 30 seconds to 66 minutes 30 seconds. Compared to this, the air pressure belt has limited extent. It is generally up to 10 minutes parallel. The uneven distribution of temperature influences the distribution of air pressure also. This leads to the formation of high and low pressure belts horizontally between the equator and the poles. Observe figure 4.2a and 4.2b and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which pressure belt is mainly found in the tropics? In the tropics, equatorial low pressure belt is mainly found. With which pressure belt are the polar winds associated? In which temperature zone are they observed? The polar winds are associated with polar high pressure belt and subpolar low pressure belt. What could be the reason behind the low pressure belt in the tropics? Low pressure belt is formed in the tropics because the temperature is high. With which pressure belts are the winds in the temperate zone associated? The winds move from low pressure area to high pressure area. Write the latitudinal extent of the low pressure belts. The latitudinal extent of the low pressure belt is 5 minutes north to 5 minutes south and 55 minutes to 65 minutes north and 55 minutes to 65 minutes south are low pressure belts found.